Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I will show you how to change ChatGPT account password. So this is going to be quick and easy, so let's start. So first open up a web browser and go to chat.openai.com. So once you are in here, tap on login, type your email address and tap on continue. So from here, you can tap on forgot password. So you can type here your email to recover your password and then tap on continue. After this one, you can go ahead and check your email and then tap on reset password. So from here, type in a new password and then confirm it on the bottom. After this one, you can tap on reset password. Okay, so now your password is successfully changed. Alright, so that would be all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.